be here with special guest.
Hi guys, my name is Molly and I'm the creative director here at SBBlooms.
Yes, and Molly is coming to help me out today with our How To with SBBlooms series, where we show you trending Pinterest pins and how to recreate them with our premium silk florals. Last week you guys voted on this install with our Bianca collection, and we are so excited to show you how to do it. It's so easy and really only took like 10 minutes.
10 or so. Yeah.
Okay, so let's show you what products you need. You need 10 Bianca aisle markers, 6 standard Bianca centerpieces, and 4 short gold stands, or pewter, whatever your preference is. And then the tools you'll need are zip ties and cutters. You can use wire cutters or scissors work just as well. So yeah, that's the tools and products you need. Now let's show you how to do it.
You're gonna start by stacking your stands with the circles kissing each other. Now we're going to take our standard centerpieces and I'm going to put one on the top and then feed one into the center and place it in the stand. Aisle markers. What I like to do is your aisle marker will come with ribbon. You're just going to want to wrap this around like so. So we'll start like that. Secure your ribbon in there. You can even place a zip tie around it so it doesn't come loose. And then we're going to start to hide the bases of the centerpiece and just kind of decorate this all over. There is no wrong way to do this. Literally zip tie them wherever you feel like it looks good.
I don't know.
Just to like cover a little more the base.
The height.
Alright, and that is it. You can do this with any collection using aisle markers and standard size centerpieces. You can mix and match with pewter, you could do a red collection, you could do something bolder. So don't feel like this is exactly how you have to recreate this. Really, it's up to you.
Yes, super easy to recreate.
And cost effective.
Yeah, it's very cost effective.
Yes. Using smaller pieces and making a big statement.
And this is great to recreate, repurpose too, from sweetheart ceremony to sweetheart table, maybe like your entrance of your venue.
Yes.
You can do a lot with this. Just a reminder on what this series is. This is our How To with SBBlooms series, where we show you trending Pinterest pins and how to recreate them with our premium silk flowers. If you want to say in what we recreate next, vote on our Instagram every Monday. You get to vote on the install that we recreate, and then you get to vote on the collection we use. So it's very fun. Follow us on Instagram to have a say in next week's install. And this was fun. If you liked this video, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, come back for more, and we'll see you next week. Bye guys.